Here is how to change your age in Among Us to access features like chat and friend request. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Among Us application on your mobile device. So if your age is set incorrectly, which is under 13 or the required age for your region, you'll be limited to quick chat. So you need to go ahead and reset the game's data. To do this, exit the Among Us application first. Then after, go ahead and long press on the Among Us application. Then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, you need to scroll down and select Storage. Then click on Clear Cache and also tap on Clear Data and then select Delete. Now you need to open the Among Us application again and the game will ask for your birth date since you cleared the data, and enter the correct age, 13 or older, or the required age for your region. And after setting your age, go to the game setting and enable free chat. Now you can chat with friends and enjoy all the features of Among Us. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.